So first of all, I will show you today about if you are not able to open your registry, if you are not able to open your Windows security, which is somewhere like here. So first of all, I will show you the problem. So let's go on Windows security and open it, and you can see it is showing that blah blah something. It is not showing your security Windows Defender here. So we will go back and check the security and maintenance here, security and maintenance, and as we can see, it is showing that it is turned off. So you have to turn on, but whenever you turn it on, it is showing Windows Security Center service can't be started. So I am here to tell you about how you can fix it. So first of all, we have to change registry, because there are some changes in registry if you are doing something like disabling it from external source or something for downloading or anything which is not secure. I know you understand. So if you don't understand, I am saying if you have installed any app recently, any cracked app, yeah, or any something, then you can face this type of issue. So first of all, we will click Windows plus R to run. You can also type run here, RUN, and can get this. And after that, we will put service.msc and we will click OK. So we will check the security center here as we are going down, and here is security center and it is disabled. When you double click it, you see you are not able to enable it because it is not let you enable it. So you have to change some registry file. So click on OK, and we will just do something else. We will just click on here and start run, and we will go on registry just by clicking REGEDIT, and we will click enter. And after that, you can see, as you can see here, registry is opened. So first of all, you have to just navigate this. So you have to go on first local machine key, okay, and after that you will see the system. So here system, and after opening the system, you will see the current control set, which is I can see here. And after that, you will click on services, and you will find WSC, just like that. And after that, you go down and down and down, a lot of down, and you go on W. And you can see here wscsvc. So this is the main file you have to modify. So after that, you have to go on start here, and you have to double click on it, and you have to change the value from 4 to 2 and click on OK. And yeah, now you have to restart your laptop or your desktop, anything. So after that, after the restarting, so after I restarted my laptop now, so we will check if it's enable or not. So first we will go again on service.msc. We will click OK, and we will navigate service center, security center. Yeah, where is security center? Here. We will double click on it, and we can see it is showing automatically. It is showing automatic, and it is also running. So yeah, you can click on OK, and you can see here. I will go on security center again, security, and it's nothing showing here. And we will go on security and maintenance, and as we can see, no security issue here, no maintenance issue here. So yes, as we can see, we are still not able to see the providers here. So we will do one more step for it. We will go on Google Chrome, and we will here put Windows Defender Update, and we will click on search. And after that, here we will click on first link, and after clicking on first link, we will go down and down and down, and we will see the Microsoft Windows Defender Windows 10, yes, and we will click on 64-bit, as you can select your 32-bit or anything. So I will select on 64-bit and we will click on start, and it is starting and it is downloading now. Just wait for 10 seconds and it will be downloaded. So as it's already downloaded, we will click on open, and as we open it, it will take little bit time for update the Windows Defender. It is taking time, and we will wait for some bit. As we can see, our mouse is blinking slowly. It is installing in background. So finally, as you can see, here are security, it is enabled, and maintenance, it's also enabled. So thank you for watching this video, guys. If you get any help, so then please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, if you don't like it, please dislike. Thank you.